Hello, today I'd like to show you an experiment I'm working on. It's a gas discharge tube. A plasma is created by a high voltage. You can see striations. That's characteristic of this type of plasma and gas discharge. It's an evacuated tube. It's air inside. I'll move closer and show you more about it. There is a two-stage rotating vane vacuum pump that's creating a vacuum inside the tube, which is filled with air at about 160 microns. As we look closer at the tube, we can see the anode end. As we walk along, we can see this so-called column, positive column with the striations. As we come to the cathode, that's the negative end, we can see a gap, which is called the Faraday dark space. We can also see a plasma inside the polyethylene tubing, which connects the tube to a small needle valve, which is used to regulate how much air is brought into the tube to control how much the vacuum is. You can see that plasma. That means that actually there's some current. There's a high voltage at that end of the tube where if you touch that valve, it's high voltage and it could be very dangerous. And in fact, the whole thing is very dangerous because it's excited to about 4,000 volts. That's created by this neon tube transformer, neon sign transformer. That creates an alternating current. However, it's then passed in this experiment through a full bridge rectifier, which creates a direct current from the alternating current. And the transformer limits the current to about 30 milliamps. However, still very dangerous. You could get easily electrocuted and die from touching these high voltage wires. So that explains some about this current experiment that I'm working on. I hope to explain more in the future. Thanks for watching.